My queens, if you have dark spot, if you have acne, you have dull skin, your skin is not glowing, you have sleeping skin, you have damaging skin, please stay tuned with me and we'll make this simple tonic together, because this thing is going to help you to wake up your body, to wake up your skin, to glow your skin, to make your skin look more fresh and smooth. And also, the most important, your dark spot is going to fade your dark spot. Consistency is the key, but let's start it. In 1 week, you will come back here to give me your testimonial. So you can see how this thing is shining on my hand. Just imagine you are going to use it in your face. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to use it. Now I peel my carrot. The next thing, I'm grinding it. What we need is the carrot juice. So after grinding it, I put it inside my sieve to sieving the carrot juice, the carrot juice that we need here. So while I'm sieving the carrot juice, let's check and see the benefit of carrot, because it's very important. There are some people also just like a lazy like me, to do research, so let us just talk a little bit about the carrot. Carrot is rich in vitamin A and antioxidant. It also helps to repair skin. When your skin, you have damaging skin or your skin is sleeping, you are using carrot, is going to repair the skin for you. Carrot also is improving texture, your skin texture, is giving natural glow. Your skin is going to be glowing natural. You are going to get golden skin naturally. This is not bleaching, buying chemicals to bleach your body. You are going to get your fresh, your beauty, your golden skin by natural things. Okay, so now after finished straining, after finished blending, grinding it, please use the grinder, don't use blender, because blender you have to add water. You don't need to add water, you just need only pure carrot water juice to use and make this thing. So after straining this way, the next thing that I'm going to add is going to be my lemon. I'm going to add half lemon. Lemon is very powerful, please. So always make it gentle, because if I'm going to say maybe you use half lemon, or even not up to half, and add inside, you will get the same benefit. Okay, don't take 2 or 3 lemon to squeezing, or full lemon to squeeze inside of this small thing. So lemon is very strong. So lemon is also helping to brighten the skin and fading dark spot, which is very good. That one that most of us we are looking for, because we have the dark spot in our body, our faces. We are looking for a ways that we can do to fail our dark spot. And lemon also is also supporting fighting for bacteria from your skin that causing breakouts. So it's very good. So after do those things, I added 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline is very good. Use Vaseline, the organic Vaseline, the original Vaseline, the blue one. Use that one. Okay, I did a mistake because I threw the butter away. I was remove the butter, and I don't know, I threw it away. But after that, my mind told me that I should show it to you guys, for you guys to know the type of Vaseline that you will use. But when I say the organic original one, you understand what I'm talking about. So after that, I added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Sorry, I added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. If you get the organic one, it's good. If you don't get, you, because some they can say 92%, 95%, 90% aloe vera, I don't know. But if you get the organic one, it's good. So after add your everything, but don't do the mistake that I do here. Please don't do the same thing, because the first thing I should have melt my Vaseline before put the things inside, but I didn't do it. I do it other way around. I put everything inside, because I'm going to use my hand blender to blend everything. Okay, so if you have hand blender, fine. If you don't have hand blender, then make sure you melt your Vaseline before you add these ingredients. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to mix it, to whip it together, to come together very well. So let's check and see aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also calm the skin. Your skin is reducing irritation. If your skin, you have irritation from your skin, it's reducing it, and also deep hydrating to your skin. You tighten your deep hydrating, tighten your skin, which is very good, guys. You can see I use my hand blender. So if you have hand blender, no problem, you don't need to melt your Vaseline, you can just do it that way. So after that, I added vitamin E oil inside. Vitamin E oil is very good. You can add vitamin E oil or you can add sweet almond oil. Vitamin E oil, then say that because of this type, you also use looking for that type, you can get vitamin E oil, the capsule one. Also, you can get it from the pharmacy to add your vitamin E oil inside. It's very good. And if you have jojoba oil or you have sweet almond oil, you can add some few drop inside. But for me, I prefer it this way. This amount of the oil is enough for me. The vitamin E and the Vaseline is going to do the work perfect for me. So the best way to use it, how can you use this thing? After applying your face mask, if you have face mask, let's say you are applying the face mask to your face in the night. So after night, you apply the face mask and wash it. Before you go to bed, you apply this, massage into your face gentle, just massaging your face then gentle, and go to bed. And also, not only your face, if you have dark spot in dark mark or straight marks or armpits, your armpits is dark, your nails is dark, your arm balls is dark. So where the places that you think that is dark and where the places that you think that you have the straight marks, apply this thing before go to bed. Okay, so the next morning when you just get up, you are going to bath or you wash it off and use your normal moisturizer to moisturize your body. So this thing is very good for the night. Okay, apply it in night. So if you are going to say that your face mask you always do in the afternoon, so no problem. After your face mask and you know that you are not going out, then fine, you can use it in the night. Also, you use it again. But if you know that you are going out, then don't use it. Just go ahead and use your normal moisturizing butters or liquid to moisturize your face after your face mask, and night you apply this. And if you are type of who doesn't use face mask, then use this thing, make this thing every night you before you go to bed. Apply, wash your face, make sure your face is clean. You wash your face, apply it to your face, massage your face very well. After massaging your face, you go to your bed and sleep. Not only your face, I'm remind you your armpits, because we have some lady their armpits when they raise their armpits is very dark. You can apply it to all those places. Okay, apply it, massage into your face. Please, if you know that you love natural things and you love what I'm doing, please, why not, you should help me to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, those also who love natural beauty things. Okay, this thing is from the kitchen, your kitchen, the simple ingredient from your kitchen and your baby. The Vaseline that you are using when your baby get wounded, or you yourself, you are using that Vaseline, you are saying that this Vaseline is not your, if there is harmattan, your mouth is dry, you are using that Vaseline for your leaf. Use that Vaseline to get out of your dark spot and your straight marks, plus your stand damaging, your chemicals damaging. But before using it, if you have chemicals damaging, I mean if you use some product and it has damaged your face, please, when you start using this treatment, stop using those chemicals things. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, see my face.